Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to tell you this video is actually for beginner. In this video I'm going to tell you that how can you improve your English, because most of the beginner they think that English is so difficult and English is a hard, and then just they give up. I want to say you that English is not so difficult. It is easy. I think more than Hindi if you try. English really, believe me, that English is so easy. Don't take it so difficult, and don't think that English is a difficult. It's I can't speak, I can't learn English. It's not for us. So my friends, my beginner friends, I want to say you that just start speak English with simple word. Speak with yourself, like in front of a camera, in front of a mirror. Just start with simple word, simple question, like ask your friends, hi friends, how are you doing today, like that, you know because without practice, without start English, you can't improve your English. So there's a question that what should I study fast to improve our English? Should I study grammar or tense? What's thing is necessary for us to improve our English, to start our English? If I talk about myself, that I think that anything is not necessary to start English. A lot of people think that tense is necessary, but I think it's not right, bro. Because yeah, tense help you a lot, but tense is not necessary. Because yeah, tense is a part of learning English, you have to know that. But if you do not interested in tense grammar, so you can also improve your English. Just listen a podcast or English video, and just try to speak, because English is so easy. If I talk about myself, I just started before 1 year, and I can speak, as you see, very well, and I can understand native speaker. I think more than 80%, and I can speak with a Englishman very well. So you can do it. You can also do it. Just don't give up, and all the time try to speak. Okay, and just memorize some basic word. It's necessary, like it's you have to know some basic word that you use for speaking. Okay, like when you walk up, just start to speak, like with simple question or simple sentence. Who I am a Hassan. This is my English YouTube channel, like that. So my friends, uh, if you like my YouTube channel's video, so do subscribe and like my channel, and I will make you more video for beginner. Good luck.